Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the device model and OS build so you target the right animation assets. This avoids mismatches. Open settings and, once there, enable developer or advanced animation options if necessary. Make a quick backup of the current animation files or export the settings now. That gives you a rollback option. You're not prepping indefinitely. This is the first actionable work. After backing up, go to the Animation Controls panel so you can edit the closing animation parameters. Now you edit the closing animation itself. Change the duration, choose an easing curve, and confirm the frame rate, say 300 ms with a cubic Bezier and 60 fps for smooth motion. If you're replacing assets, swap files while keeping original file names so references stay intact. Use the built-in preview to iterate quickly. After each tweak, test across at least 2 screen sizes or densities to catch scale issues. Once satisfied, save the animation set and export a version copy so you can track changes. Apply your changes and restart the target app or the system process that loads animations so the new closing animation takes effect. Then, systematically test. Watch for frame drops, jank, or misaligned masks. Make sure timing feels natural in real use. If you see glitches, stop and restore the backup you made earlier because that's the fastest recovery. Next, check logs for asset load errors. If needed, re-edit assets or adjust durations. Once stable, finalize and document the new animation version.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.